welcome to Poul's Kitchen. It's Chef Poul. With me today is R2D2. You'll figure it out eventually. Today we're going to make a little video on roasted vegetables. Why? Because a few things are going to start going bad if I don't use them. So I want to use them because I don't want them to go bad. So I've got two really large carrots, which is the main prerogative to why I'm doing this. I've got them cut up pretty small like that. I just don't want them to go bad because they're really good. I've got my oven preheating to 425 degrees. I've got two oranges zested, and then I've got the zest of said oranges. You're gonna have to use your fingers to get the zest out because it's gonna be a little cranky, but that's fine. I've got one large white onion, which is another reason too, because I really like my white onion. I really like my white onion a lot and don't want anything to happen to it. And one green pepper, which is also looks like it might be. It's been out there for a little while. So, you know, gotta take care of that. Alright, so first we're gonna dump a little bit of tagine in here. And if you don't have tagine, you need it. If you don't know what tagine is, I feel bad for you because it is one of the greatest spices in the world. It is a Mexican spice. No, it is not hot. And yes, it is very friendly, and this is just fresh ground black pepper. My favorite thing in the world, and I would share this with anybody because it's awesome. All right, now. A little bit of ground, or already put black pepper in. A little bit of olive oil. And one more thing, if I can find it easily right here. It still is right here. I'm gonna put a little bit of honey. And it just falls out good. So we're just going to take a moment and we're just going to give this a good little mixing. Pretty easy little thing to make. It's not hard, it's not difficult. We'll give it a little bit of orange zest and it'll taste really good. You can serve this pretty much anything you want. So I'm just going to pour this into my casserole dish here. I'm not going to put a cover on it because I don't think you need to. This looks pretty good to me so far. I think it's going to taste great. And once that gets up to 425, I'm going to shove this into the stove. We're going to try about 20 minutes. Everybody's oven is going to be a little different, so take your time. If it may not take as long, take it out, let it rest. If it needs longer, then give it longer. Not a big deal. Please hit that like, share, subscribe button. Let's all make cooking great again, and we'll be back when this is done. That's simple. And we're back, and we've got 35 seconds, well, even less than that now. And this is what making cooking great again is all about. Now we got Amy. She's finally woken up.
Yep.
And we're about to finish up there. What are we making, Amy?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I wasn't awake when you started.
Yeah, okay. I'll let you have that one. You excited to find out what
Yes.
4 seconds. 3 seconds. It's coming. So these are our roasted vegetables. I don't know what Amy's going to make for dinner tonight, but this is going to be part of it.
Yum.
And this basically solves the problem of what to do with your veggies before they go bad.
Yeah.
So you don't have to throw them out, you can actually eat them. Eating them is really good. There's absolutely nothing in here that anybody else can't eat. This is going to taste really good. It's going to taste really delicious. I think this could be great. I'm excited to try this. What about you, Amy?
Yeah.
So here we go. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Oh, and just because enough of you really hit that the last time, Amy has something she wants to do.
There.
Woo! See you next time.